If be, oh, if it's chosen, them a blood clot that I stop him.
This is what connects us all. This right here, it's melanin in our body. As you said.
And they come in there for creatine, you know, they call tattoo, you know. And
Alright, man.
But me still like how you do it. Hold on, no? Me still like.
Got a late ass. Hold on, let me make sure the mic is on. We got a late ass start to the morning, but we're about to go do what y'all want us to do and find this duck plant. And so about to hit this journey up. God damn, I'm tired. Annoyed because just probably couldn't find the keys. Searching for that key for about 3 fucking hours, man.
Man, nah lie, life just have a way of just change up things for you. Cause we have this big nice plan how we are gonna get up early and go get the herbs and stuff. I will spend from 4:30. We look for the Oski at 6 o'clock now. I will just find it.
Sun just coming up though.
Divine timing. Never just put it down to divine timing. Nothing before the time. That's
Yes,
what we have to just do.
That's a fact.
We get saved and protected from something.
She said we got saved and protected from something. You ready? Look at her head popping out the car. That big old head, man. Hey, you got watermelon head. Straight water. Okay. She cute though. She the cutest watermelon there is. I ain't never seen a cute. I ain't never seen a watermelon so cute, but she got the watermelon head.
Eh?
I said I ain't never seen a watermelon so cute because she got the watermelon head. Head big like a watermelon.
Who that?
Dion. Yeah, both you and Dion. Your head big like a cantaloupe. Her head big like.
Small.
Well, your forehead big like a cantaloupe. Just your forehead alone. Alright, come in. Let's go, watermelon head. Welcome to the Nurture Being channel, the channel that highlights the warmth, essence, the love, and the culture of Black people all over the world. As you already know, we are natural herbalists, but the world is so big, right? So why not travel and discover new herbs and experiences that the Black consciousness has to offer? Today, we're going to navigate deep into the jungle in search for the infamous Dr. Sebi's duck plant. And stay tuned and make sure you make it to the end of the video because, man, I could not have guessed of how the day was going to go. Could you believe if I told you we actually helped saving somebody's life? That was not a part of the plan. Man, tell them what we about to do.
Alright, so it's time for us to go and get some duck guys and other herbs that we might find. Because usually when we go on the road to get one herb, we end up with multiple herbs because we'll go to some.
You know, we didn't get the crocus back.
None at all, not there.
Hey, no.
The one in there, but one there right
there.
because me really never want to turn back. Yes, guys, so usually when we go out for herbs, we always get other things. The last time, to man get this big and a banana. You know, so that could have used my blue jars. You don't know. I'm going to learn how to make blue jars. And I'm going to make some blue jars. So yes guys, so we're going to keep you posted as we keep it moving. Showing us some of the journey and some of the views. The view is nice from where we live and the drive is a bit long. It's like a 3-hour drive.
This is before the April 8th eclipse, so you're about to throw on some shit on that. But I wonder what's going to happen that day. I know what I'm going to be doing, but we about to do this in some high levels.
Alright guys, bye-bye.
Alright, so do you remember when we said that this journey took an unexpected turn of events? Well, this is it.
Natty,
Well, on.
you got saving control, saving can respond.
He's breathing, he's alive. He's alive. You can see him pulse.
Yeah, I know say my breathers.
Yeah.
Yeah, just release it, release the seed from it. Release the seed. Push it up. Push the seed up.
Take out the bag, take out the bag. Take out the bag.
Get out. Get out.
He's not.
Wait for the fire truck, man.
Make him shake this and move him.
Yeah, I'm moving some man. I'm early. I'm waiting. Yeah, pull up my way. The fire truck, pull up, man. I'm calling the truck. You're early. I'm waiting.
See, but antimony. Alright, me do first is if you take him out, you have to get one something to press it back and in there.
No, yeah, talk about an easy something. Because the way him set the load, they cannot just take
Before they take him out. Oh gosh. You have blue here then. Yeah.
All right, so remember how we were 2 or 3 hours late because we couldn't find the keys this morning? And then look at what happened. We end up saving somebody's life, man. You can't make this stuff up. We really hope this brethren survive. I was really, really proud to see how proactive our brothers and sisters were to help this stranger. He's a stranger to all of us, and all of us helped in securing this brother's life on earth. So different than the West, where they'll take out the phone and put you on Instagram. Out of respect for the family, we did not show the graphicness, and we really do hope that everyone survived.
But hope they not did, I swear to God.
Anyway, fast forward the rest of the day, and we end up meeting a really, really interesting guy.
You understand me? But the bearing to come up as yes.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah.
As I'm sure say April, May, you know.
It's been a drought. Has it been a drought though?
Huh?
Has it been a drought? It's been raining and not good.
No, man, that's the so they come on here. The river sucking.
That's why.
You know that, me I tell you?
That's why.
So, as we see the rain come on back from where again and the thing bright up. Then they are the camp that are tough road. Like the hard board. We have Mike and I'm I already have a book and I'm going to have I'm going to deal with the data. But I tell you, make nice juice. Alright. Sell something in the duck sauce. Eh? And you blame this. The duck sauce and 2 guava, man. But duck sauce, that have a strong word there, you know. So you have to know, say, yes, this is duck sauce. This is the vibe of duck sauce and you want to
Well, this one is hard. Go for you, Mike.
if you stomach not strong, say if your stomach not strong, you can't drink duck sauce at juice.
Oh, double sauce up look.
You know, it tastes good for me.
Yeah,
I
oh,
mean,
it look.
Yeah, it looks it over there. But it's a fruit.
Yeah, it depend it now.
Yeah, right now. So me there and I say, this is, they call it noni.
Yeah, they call it noni?
It's noni.
Oh,
But we go up and with a duck sauce up.
yeah.
So when I go pick now, we so afraid of the tree. We would go near because we just start duck sauce up now. Everybody focus the root there. You understand it? But the right name is noni. So I say well things here. Yeah, man. See what you say to that.
Alright.
Check it out. But duck sauce up.
Come
and
on, go
I say,
look for it.
Daddy, boy.
Yeah.
You think duck sauce up, man? Fast, get this, man. Blood! Blood, no,
So we are gonna look pan.
that fruit.
We are gonna look pan the duppy sour sap right now. Me see it.
Noni.
Noni though.
Just say noni.
May I come?
You know, the vaccine come, they call vaccine, the COVID vaccine, you know, that come to food right now, and liquor. We ask that and white rum. That's why I don't eat that. That's why I don't know about Babylon.
So you thinking they put the vaccine in
Yeah, man, come in on your baby. You know, sugar tea, you know.
in the Pringles?
Yeah, cause remember, the population, the population of black people never, they're not going to tell you that, Betty. You know that.
Yeah, man, you know that.
Look here now, the population of the black people never take vaccine. They don't want that whole game to fuck you up then. So if him a feed you, you must have a way to fuck you up. You know what you eat. Simple.
You know, the Bill Gates come partner with the liquor company.
No, that me I tell you, don't look your blood clot.
They partner with
Stripe
Red
and-
Hold on, man.
Dragon,
Yep, everything we consume.
Bill Gates,
Yeah,
and
everything.
everybody else.
Oh,
They don't sound like no
listen to me,
holy
man.
reunion.
Yeah, who won't gonna tell you that? They never will tell you that. But
But
are
you
you
have to
pin
know.
on?
Yeah.
Are you pin on the beginning? Then you never get to give me the vaccine because we deny, we never want it. You come to people, some kids come out, money and get vaccine. Look at them, they come out better dead, you know. You get vaccine and dead, you know.
What he die of?
Yeah,
Heart.
all of them.
What he die of? Heart, liver.
I don't know. Let's say it must be realizing I got pressure in
You
there.
had clot, huh? Because
Something like
enough people that die of
But
blood
him
clot.
live in a Spanish town, you understand me? And so it's a seaman, the man go for, they work for a fishing boat and big boat there.
Big one. So he had to do it for work.
Definitely. So
And
in
then
blood
now
clot,
it-
in blood clot there.
No more.
You understand me? We don't want no blood clot vaccine. My herbs are my vaccine. See me? Me ginger and my vervine and I'm herbs and some say herbs. So, and just the whole thing scared, the whole process scared. So more, I'm tell you again in the job. From them time that I them see one in the betting. I remember again, the white man love black people, you know. White man can pretend good, you know. Very much when he come around, you know, because he see him a will go something big you. We know you are suffer for. You just give you and control the blood clot, man. Even in kill go slow, direct for that thing. But you know them bomb clot that this we say. So I don't know what you deal with that this me blood clot said this. Then can stay so look, feel me on. Just feel me on man. Then can blood clot people, they have this, yeah. How they be, how they be chosen, them a blood clot teeth, that's the highest supreme.
This is what connects us all. This right here. It's melanin in our body. As you
No,
said.
and they come in there fuck you, you know, they call tattoo, you know. And
Alright, man.
But me still like how you do it. Hold on, no, me still like.
Action.
So guys, you see when you think nurture being, just think of like a one-stop herbal shop, you know? Where you can go, you can get your herbs, your skincare herbs, you can get your herbs for your internal care. We have things for the blood, for the heart, for the lungs, for the stomach. We have for if you have spotty skin, the skin dehydrated. You see, women, your vagina itch, we have something for you. You have tenderness, when you are overlaid, we have something for you. Hormonal imbalance, we have something for you. Men with the limp dick, we have something for you. Your face bumpy, and you need something to clean up the blood, we have something for you. You know? Your kidney or your liver non-function, we have something for you. Your skin dry and scaly, we have something for you. You don't know what to eat, you're not sure how to eat or what to eat, we have something for you. Same it. So every single thing you can think about, we have something for you. So when you're thinking about complete nutrition in terms of medicinal plant and stuff, just think nurture being. Trust me. Nurture being? Yeah. Our one-stop herb shop.
You know, Indians, right? And at the time, you know, own Jamaica first, right?
Who are
Up to now, they can find dinosaur bones
But you
that
can't
from
find
millions
one
of years
tiny.
ago, but they
China.
can't find one tiny bone.
But you can find
Arawak
evidence
Indian.
of black people.
Yeah, Arawak.
But before
Right.
then, say Arawak Black Indian, right?
Yeah.
Because Arawak Black Indian is just another cover up for black people.
For black people.
It was
right.
us.
We were
They
the Indians
changed
that I talk
history.
about. But they trying to say they were fair-skinned, light-skinned Indians.
And not go so lie.
and they brought over the black
Them
people.
bring the Indians,
Right.
them come. Black people, they did a long time and then push you off.
Right.
And
And
rewrite
black people was here
history.
first. And then they rewrite history and say that they bring it over. They don't
Your teeth can also wrong.
Yeah.
Because they're trying to take our identity, brother.
Because in order for you to take the
They
land,
must
you
not
have
take
to
our
claim
identity.
so the original people they never there.
Never there. And them
And
gone
that
now.
is how the Maroons them have the stance to can stand up in our land because they remember where they come from and they know their history.
All right, so after this powerful reasoning, we continued our journey for the Jamaican duck plant.
I'm not lie. Not lie. Parasite them I go feel it tonight. As me I eat one of them as my gum warm, me I eat one of them. You done here? Yeah.
Three of them.
See, yeah, and still come and see if we can get some. Come over. You know, come over.
This is the jackpot. This is our secret spot,
Yeah.
It's weird.
Remember this step up? They never turned that delicate.
Right?
No.
Pineapple lubricant. Is it that's why pineapple lubricant?
I know it's delicate. If I can tell you. Don't let it get it. You know, say next duck is not going to be a good. Because fish buy not to go do in the camera.
Go in your eye.
Uncle, why you don't take up the see there, right there. Well, you actually do have bad eyesight. I was staring at those for so long. Like you were looking behind, like right. No, there's one right there. No, you guys missed one. Down at the same part, you missed one. Yeah. There's more at the top.
Oh, we got this.
Yeah. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
And here?
It's up more. And there it is. There. Yes, Diane. No, I just have a female coming, you know. Because we see. Someone pull it down, we see them. Yeah, me feel like you're being helpful, man. Yeah. Yeah. You're actually happy about it. I really don't like the smell. I hate the smell.
Yeah, it smell good.
It don't smell worse. Junker knows now. Junker knows not? Yeah, me want to do the one. Yeah, me see one. I feel like I said that so English. Oh, shit. Open up. Hey, me not lie, the spot here give me so much. Can I see in the bag? Oh, you want? Y'all are putting the leaves in the camera. Oh, yeah, the cameraman, are you supposed to move up? So this is everything we've gotten so far. Yeah, that's true. It's not a lot, but it's a good amount. If one person eats all of that, it's gonna cost some money. That is so much more value. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to go deeper in the bush. Alright then. Okay then. Oh my God, y'all leaving me. Do not leave me. I'm not comfy with that.
The path, so we'll bring the bag.
Oh my God, do you see the type of things I have to be doing? My hair? Oh. I like that they're getting this sort of like a POV type of video instead of like a vlog because it's from my POV. I want to go over this here now.
I hope, imagine that they watch this and then see stuff.
Me and look duck. Every time I see duck, right there, start up this.
If you guys see any, just comment in the
No,
comment section if you guys saw any.
Right, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, always far today.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm coming. Can you guys? I'm still recording. Oh my god, I'm getting tied up in vines right now. Oh my god. This is like crazy. I don't do these things. I like my house. Okay. This isn't too bad. There aren't too many bugs today. I don't see too many bugs, too many mosquitoes. Are there any that you guys can see that we didn't see? Just comment it. Oh my god, he saw?
Yes, I did.
Wait. You go on there and you take it up because you're the tall one. Let me see if I can get this.
Don't step on the bag. Just step on the bag.
I'm not looking at the bag. I'm trying to make sure I don't fall into a ditch.
Oh, the tree's easily bendable.
Oh.
I wish all the trees were like this. See, look at
That's
the tree.
fine.
The tree was all the way over here. Look at it.
Oh my god. These vines are gonna video of these?
Yeah.
Oh, I was recording it.
Oh, nice. See,
I was just showing it that I was putting the duck in the bag. There's one right there. Oh, you're taking it out.
Oh my god. I obviously saw that. There's no way I'm missing that one.
This one is actually really pretty. Look at it.
Is there any more in this tree?
Wait, can you pull that back down? Yes. Pull it down. Pull it down. That is, I literally just like, here it is.
Oh, nice.
Just put these in the bag.
Got 3 of them from that spot. Don't pull over there.
Yeah.
Is there more over there?
Oh, look at that. That's another good
Make
amount.
sure I set a frame good enough. Look here. Come. Give me
I
a
didn't
bag.
know such why it was tough like this.
The bag all I get heavy now.
Yeah.
Eh?
Stop it.
Why is it actually not breaking?
See one right there. I'm not
Go
going.
get it.
I'm not like the fat brother.
Oh my gosh, things are biting me.
Hang on, buddy.
Yes, they are. Why is my neck so itchy?
But you said where to? I don't see it. I don't see the one you're talking about.
Okay, I'm gonna go to Mama.
You see it again?
Let me see if I can look. I'm gonna look, but I cannot see right from here. Oh, my ankle. I could feel the sprain coming if I didn't balance myself in time. Cause I would most definitely sprain my ankle. Oh, there's flies in there for the spiders to eat.
That one's huge.
Ready?
Oh, you went right past it.
Yeah, but more on pick this.
Oh, you know the one I'm talking about?
No.
Alright.
Ready?
Hold on. Yep.
Oh my god, it's a record?
You see the one I'm talking right there?
Babe, it's a record?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Okay. No, may I take it? Can I see it? Go ahead.
You see it?
So this is the duck plant when it is open, and this is it when it is closed. You see how beautiful? And me don't know, but me I gonna tell you, look, I'm gonna observe it. You see how this, right, you see how it's shaped like an anus? I think the plants have a way of telling you what reproductive, what organ system it benefits. The plants have a way of telling you what organ system it benefits by the features, because you have some plants, it's shaped just like the vagina, and then you have some shaped like penis, you have some shaped like kidney, because nature, that is nature's way of communicating to you, say, this is what I'm good for. So you can identify detox plants by certain features that they show.
Yeah.
You have to look actually underneath the cocoa. You see one there? Okay, hello guys. So this is all the work that we are doing just to make sure, say, you guys get this product here. We're deep in the jungle. It's not very easy, but you see, when you do something that you're passionate about, you don't really see the work, you just see the success, right? So we're in the bush, deep in the bush, we're getting a whole, like we're in duck heaven right here. Getting a whole heap of duck plants so we can get all the others out to everybody, because we are thankful and we're grateful for all the others. The one over there today. Alright. 5. I'm better some more up there. Because you want to, because yeah, I don't do. May I tell you?
Just one good one.
Well, I think a lot. Mr. P, a baby one. That's how Mr.
There's a crow.
Eh?
Look at the crow.
But for almost a year now, the whole time you
Oh my god, bird.
Yeah, we never.
We are going to leave soon, but look, we are just trying to get that one up. Up there, it's really high.
It's never.
Oh,
It's gone up, but give me a slip, let me see if I can get it. Come with the closer to it. Go higher. Go higher.
okay. Hopefully we get that one because it's really big and it's open so you can see the beautiful pattern. Oh. Under the camera, I don't know if you guys can see this. I hope you guys can see it, but like I'm gonna show you guys when we are done. I'm just gonna show you it, okay? We have a lot in here. You can see the pattern. The pattern on that one is different, but it's not different by a lot. But like that's all we have now. You see. We are trying to get out now, and since some of these vines fell down. Oh my gosh, the bag. Alright, so we just came out. As you can see, everyone has a bunch of pollen on them. Bunch of pollen. Some of us got bitten. This is a lot. We got a good amount though. This is the one that I was talking about. It wasn't too hot today, but like I am so tired. It's not even funny. Like I wanna go inside and turn on the AC, and like when I get home I want to take a shower and I'm done all this. I am so tired.
Yo guys, so as you can see, we're new to YouTube and we're trying to make it. So like, comment, and
Subscribe.
right, like, comment, and subscribe. Show some love and let's help this channel grow.
Woo!